It's smoky. You gotta get something smoked in the soup. I like how it covers almost the whole space. You can kind of use ingredients that you have in your kitchen from cooking something else.
Hello, my hungry friends! It's Friday and kitchen's closed.
Today on Kitchen's Closed, we're downtown Szczecin checking out the Christmas market. Now, almost every single major city, and even minor cities in Europe, will have a Christmas market. When we were in Germany, we had a Christmas market in Gießen. We've been to the Berlin Christmas market. We heard Krakow has an amazing one.
And Poznan.
And Poznan, but fantastic pandemic says stay home.
It's
so
scaled down drastically, but it's happening, so we decided to come out here today and have some glühwein, some hot mulled wine.
Mulled. Not muled. Mulled wine.
Mulled wine and some snacks and show you around.
So come on.
Let's go.
It's Christmas time, pretty baby. The snow is falling on the ground. It's Christmas time, pretty baby.
Te tutaj 60 zł i te 50.
What you getting?
They're Szczecin Cranosauruses, we call them.
Cranosauruses?
Yep.
What do they do?
They stand there.
The Cranosauruses stand there.
They're a symbol of Szczecin because Szczecin used to be I don't know if you can hear me. There used to be a port here, and we used to build ships.
And those cranes help to build the ships. Oh, what are these, baby? What are these?
These are called kowacze.
Kawacha.
And they're sweet dough with different sprinkles on it.
Uh-huh. So it's sweet buns.
Sweet ones.
Ooh. Migdałowe. Kokosowe. That's coconut. I know that one. Tell us how they make them, baby.
So it's a sweet yeast dough that's wrapped around a wooden, we call it a dowel. I guess you can call it a dowel. And then they cook it.
Yes.
And then they put butter on it, and I got mine with cinnamon, sugar, and nuts.
Super. That sounds tasty. What else are we getting down here?
With some mulled wine.
Mulled wine.
Some mulled wine.
So we'll wait to find the mulled wine stand, huh?
Yeah, I just heard them announcing through the microphones here. Remember about the rules of drinking alcohol outside.
Aha. Which is don't do it.
Yeah.
Aha. Well, we'll go hide somewhere sneaky.
We'll have some coffee.
We'll have coffee. Bunny ears. Let's go.
Do widzenia.
Look at the steam coming out of that, babe. What does it look
I
like?
can't take it out here.
No, you can't, but we can see it.
Take it out in a
It's
little bit.
hollow.
It's hollow and it's hot.
Dziękuję. They even have a mulled wine over there, that's bez alkoholu.
They do where?
Right there, it says right there. Koniec bez alkoholu. In case you're driving.
I am driving.
You are driving.
karkówę.
What's in that big tub to the right?
Here,
Yes.
sauerkraut.
What's it called?
Bigos. Want some?
Uh-huh. Yeah, give me bigos.
Jak ktoś jeszcze ze średniowiecza nie
Na wynos?
to moja wina.
Oczywiście na wynos. You can't eat it here, tak? No.
Ciepły, jeśli można.
Nie będzie to zbyt filmowe, bo jest w wiaderku.
What is that one, Aja? What is smalec?
Smalec is cooked
Fast from the
down
pig.
hard with some bacon bits in it.
Oh.
And onions and apples.
That sounds like heaven. Okay, so
It's so annoying this year.
it is. So I know you guys are probably sick of seeing us eat in the car, but the Rozzers are out, and the cops are giving us stink eye just walking around with food in our hands. So we decided to come into the car to drink my wine
And eat my bigos.
and eat the bigos. Now, before we get some finger wagging about drinking in a car, it's perfectly legal for the passenger, that's me, in Poland, to get as sloshed as I want to. I can drink all the alcohol I want. She can't. Ooh, that's nice. Really, really rich, this one.
Yeah.
So, we experienced this mulled wine, or as Anna says, mulled wine, for the first time when we were living in Germany. And in Germany, they call this Glühwein. You can probably find it if you go to one of your larger liquor stores.
Okay, hang on. Open this for me.
Okay. Hold my wine, but you can't drink it because you're driving.
So hungry. I get into my cabbage.
There you go. I know it's a big problem in Poland is shortage of cabbages. As I was saying, that's bigos.
Yummo.
And we'll talk about that in a
Sorry.
second. Hunter stew. So if you go to one of your larger alcohol distributors, you can probably find some cheap ass Glühwein in a bottle somewhere, and that's not bad. It's not bad. Or you can go on the interwebs and find a recipe for mulled wine. It's usually a red wine, such as a port or a Cabernet Sauvignon, and they put stuff in it and boil it. And if you want a non-alcoholic version of this, you can just keep boiling the wine, or boil the wine first before you put the mulling spices in to boil off all the alcohol. And then you have a non-alcoholic version of it. But I really like it. Every Christmas, I drink a gallon or two. And what are you having?
And I'm eating bigos, which loosely translates, I don't know why it's translated to that, to hunter's stew. And it's a mixture of sauerkraut and fresh cabbage. Some people just make it from sauerkraut. And different meats, mainly pork and bacon and sausage. Sometimes a little bit of beef.
Where's the camera?
And it's cooked over hours and hours.
And days and days.
Days and days. And sometimes people put like plums in it and tomato sauce. And it's really delicious. You will see it a lot around winter time, Christmas.
It's very hearty, very cabbagey and tomatoey. I've even seen people put ketchup in it instead of tomato paste sometimes.
I suppose that's okay. It's a tomato product, diluted.
And you know you win when you bite into the full peppercorn or allspice. That's how you know you win.
Did you
You're
get
so
one?
lucky. Not yet. I'm waiting for it.
I saw one.
Did you? So we'll enjoy our Bigo sitting in the car, and I'll drink my mulled wine. Where you going? Oh. And then we'll break open dessert. Stick around. Okay, so
We had some bigos,
mm-hmm.
and now it's time for dessert. I have
Take it out and show 'em.
log of goodness. This dessert is called a kołacz, And I think it came to us from our friends down south,
I think so too.
the Czech Republic.
Pinchy. That's the first time I saw it.
And it's a sweet yeast dough. These guys wrap it around a wooden dowel, and then they cook it.
It's really good. It's really good.
And ours is with peanuts. But my other favorite is cinnamon and sugar.
I like this one better. First time we ran into this, or first time I ran into this was in Prague, in Czech Republic. And I thought that was the coolest thing ever.
I think they were making it over coals.
Weren't
they?
And then now there's a stand outside our grocery store. They sell them. They're everywhere now in Poland, so that's awesome.
I haven't had one of these.
I haven't either. I think Prague is the last time I had one. Straight to the hips.
Christmas food doesn't do that.
It's amazing. I wish every day was Christmas now. Really good. So, we're going to eat this. Then we're going to show you. We got to wait a little bit till it gets a little darker out. And then we're going to show you the Sailor Santa and all the sparkling lights of Szczecin.
See you in a bit.
And there's Sailor Santa in all his glory. So with this sailor statue, it's used a lot in the city for decoration or like being decorated. Protesters have used it before. They put t-shirts on it that support whatever they're protesting in the middle of the night. And normally for the last about year, he's been wearing a mask instead of the Santa Claus beard. But he's looking good. All right, on to the market. And here we go. The Christmas lights are shining now. What you getting?
Coffee.
Yay!
We're supporting local businesses.
As we should.
Because this is coffee roasted here in Szczecin.
Is it? Super cool. Szczecin Corona Coffee. Oh, it's an unfortunate name this year. But of course it means crown.
Może być wystąpił.
Dziękuję bardzo. Super good. We're getting some stuff accomplished here at the Christmas market.
What else would you like accomplished?
I want to go see the stall that was having the wooden cutting boards and the cabbage cutters.
Let's go.
All right. This is the one.
Pastry boards for making pierogi.
Oh yeah, it's a beautiful pastry board.
Big spoon for spanking the kids when they're not behaving.
That is perfect.
This is for shunning your enemies.
And what are these magnificent
Cabbage
things?
slicers for making cabbage dishes.
Over your bathtub like you did?
Yes.
That's a really big cabbage slicer. Beautiful.
This is shunning your smaller enemies.
Absolutely beautiful.
Churners.
Oh, but like butter churns?
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh, big and small.
Yeah. Look at the size of that rolling pin.
Holy wow.
That is getting it.
I can roll you right out of bed with that one.
Yeah, you could, you crazy kid. Look at all these beautiful mugs, huh? Wow. Lot of ładnie. Very pretty. I think we should get a Christmas ornament this year, honey.
Shamrock for good luck next year.
All right, let's do a four-leaf closer because we use good luck for next year, huh? That sounds perfect.
Możemy prosić? That's our episode, friends.
Thanks for tagging along. I hope you enjoyed seeing what the Szczecin Christmas market looks like this year. Don't worry, next year will be better. We'll show you it again if you're still watching. If you're not, I hope you're watching something fun. That's not us, but
Next
we prefer
year,
you watch us.
next year we're importing some snow.
Yeah, maybe when we'll go to the mountains or something. But anyway, jump on to PolishYourKitchen.com. Check out the merch store. You can get a signed cookbook written by this beautiful woman standing next to me. Follow us on Instagram at Polish Your Kitchen.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then there's Polish Your Kitchen on the tube of you. And hit the subscribe button and the bell button so you get some notifications or something. I don't know. What else?
Notifications.
Yeah,
That's
notifications.
it. We'll see you next time.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, go before the cops yell at us.